Hello, my name is HUMAsuW1 and I will be your instructor for Humanities 101. We're going to cover prehistory times all the way through the Counter-Reformation in Tudor England. So as I mentioned in my announcement, we are covering quite a lot of time in very little time. I just wanted to take this opportunity to welcome you to the course. I encourage you over these next couple of days to review the syllabus, both in order to take the syllabus quiz as well as to do the syllabus assignment. I encourage you to get your textbook so you can start reading through the assignments for the week. We start with only one chapter this week. Next week we go to 2, and then for the rest of the semester we'll be covering about 3 chapters a week due to the fact that this is an 8-week course instead of a 16-week course like we have in the fall and the spring. So we definitely move quickly, but I wanted to take this opportunity to just introduce myself, let you know that I do virtual office hours on Wednesdays from 5 to 6 p.m. The Zoom link is in the syllabus. If that time doesn't work for you, please feel free to reach out to me via email and we can find an alternative time and date to meet. But otherwise, I am looking forward to getting to know you through the Flipgrid videos this week. Looking forward to your first artifact analyses that will be due this week. I will get those back to you as soon as possible so that you can start to work on strengthening those for the rest of the semester. This assignment will lead up to your final evolution of a theme video that's due at the end of the semester. So if it's not perfect the very first week, that's totally fine. This is a learning process, so I will give you detailed feedback to figure out, so you can figure out the ways that you can improve and hopefully be churning out 10 out of 10s for most of the semester. So looking forward to meeting everybody, grateful that you're in the class, looking forward to just seeing your work and seeing the exploration and the connections that you're making in the course material, and looking forward to a great semester.